Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm actually excited to bring this one back. I mean, if I'm being completely honest, this challenge should have never left. Okay, so if you have been paying attention, you know I'm doing a series on expensive nail kits. And we're down to the last video, but I just ordered the last kit yesterday. So it's not gonna get to me until like next week. So we got a little time to play around with my little wheel we got here. So basically, I just put up a poll on my Instagram to see which challenge you guys would want to see for today's video. And I'm not gonna lie, I really want to do this challenge again. So that's why I kind of slid this one in there. And yeah, y'all see how y'all voted. It looks like y'all wanted to see this back too. So here we are. It is the random nail challenge. So basically, I'm going to put different concepts of a nail design on this wheel, and I'm going to spin it, and whatever the wheel lands on, that's what I have to incorporate in my nail set. So it's no telling what we're going to end up with, which is the beauty of this challenge. We could end up creating a pure masterpiece, or it could look semi-hot mess. So I'm going to choose randomly the color, style, and length of this nail set. Let's just go ahead and get started because I'm a little anxious to see what I'm gonna have to do. Whatever number I land on would be how many times I need to spin for my colors. So let's see how many colors we got. Ooh, that landed on 3. So we got 3 colors. Okay, so the colors we have on the wheel are pink, nude, white, green, yellow, purple, blue, and orange. All right, first spin. Let's see. We got blue, second spin. We got nude, third spin, final spin, yellow. Blue, nude, and yellow. And for our styles, we have ombre, flowers, glitter, gator, French foil, abstract, and marble. I want to make 2 of them and kind of like merge them together. Let's spin it the first time. Glitter. I really want ombre. Do me right. What did I write? What does that say? Oh, that's ombre. It looks like a long squiggly line, but it says ombre. So glitter and ombre. I got a good idea for that. So yeah. And lastly, we got our lens. Ooh, extra long. Okay, so just to recap, these are our colors, this is our style, and then this is our length. I'm going to try to incorporate some of the acrylics and the supplies that I got throughout the expensive nail kit series. So you might see some things that you've seen before. But if you haven't checked out the series yet, make sure you check it out right now. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So starting out, y'all already know we have 2 coats of top coat on my nails, so they're easier to pop off later. And I'm using my favorite tips to use. They're the no C-curve tips from Amazon. I've really been liking this glue from Young Nails lately. It really gets the job done. I mean, I think it's just as good as KDS nail glue, if I want to be completely honest. So focusing on the length of our nails. So the length we had was extra long, and honestly, these nails are kind of already extra long, but I wanted to add a little bit more length to it, because if it's going to be extra long, it's going to be extra long. So this is what we got. We got the extendos. Now I'm just going to shape them up. Now I got out my nail scissors for this at first, but I mean, just to cut time, all you need to do is get out your nail drill and just drill these puppies down. I set my nail drill at a low speed, and at first I go up underneath the nail as y'all just saw me do, and then I go down the sides of the nail. Now I just did that one in real time, as y'all can see, and then we're gonna put my drill in reverse to do the other side. Honestly, when I'm shaping longer nails, I kind of depend on my drill more to do all of the shaping, because it's a little harder shaping longer nails with your nail file, especially when you're doing your nails on yourself. But right here, I'm just going to try to drill down that little part right there where I added the extra length, because it'll be a little hump once you lay acrylic over it if you don't do that. And now my nails are all shaped, so let's lay some acrylic. Y'all want to know something that's so funny? So I completely forgot to add shapes to the wheel. So usually I'll put nail shapes on the wheel, and then I'll spin the wheel, and then whatever nail shape that the wheel lands on, that's what I picked. But I'm just not realizing I didn't do that this time. Yeah, we're just gonna stick with the squares, and I mean, they look really, really good. So I'm really not going to try to do anything else at this point. Here's where everything kind of comes together. So for the nude, I'm really feeling bad and bougie. If y'all remember, this is from the Valentino expensive nail kit video, and Valentino has some of the best nude colors. I actually went back and bought some more nudes from Valentino after I bought that kit from them because I fell in love with their acrylic system. So I really want to incorporate their nude into this set. So I'm really feeling this icy blue from Nail House. So I think I'm going to use this one. And Double Dip always comes through with the glitter acrylics. So this one is Hippie Mermaid. And then this one is Ginger Tonic. So here's the deal on the yellow acrylic. So I have this yellow from Not Polished. It's called Yellow Mamba. And then I have the Mellow Yellow by iGel Beauty. So between the two, I think iGel will be a lot easier to work with because for some reason, the more pigmented powders from Not Polished, I found them a little bit harder to work with. They dry so easily. I really love Not Polished's acrylics, but it just seems like the more pigmented powders are a little bit harder to work with. So yeah, we're gonna use iGel instead for this video. And I think it's gonna work out perfectly because this is a more softer yellow, and then this is a pastel blue. So yeah, the soft colors for the win. I was gonna do like every other one a different color, but maybe yellow in the middle and then blue on the outside. And then I'll figure out what I wanna do with this thumb here, but I'm gonna just start my ombre. I'm really scared about this yellow. Oh no, it's good, never mind. But I'm gonna have to chase it. No, I'm not. It's not that bad. And then just bring her right on down. Ooh, don't dry, don't dry, don't dry. This yellow is actually super pretty. I like it. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. And now, and then come at the bottom, just fan the rest up, and then it can drip down if it wants to. Just go ahead and drizzle right on down. Only if you want to. I don't think it's gonna drizzle. It's okay. You can just... I really like this color. All right, now let's get to Nail House. I just bought this last week, and I wanted to try out Nail House to see if I would like their acrylic, and turns out I love them. Their acrylics are a lot more thicker. Like the texture is thicker than other acrylics, and I actually like that. It reminds me of like Anna acrylics, but less chalky. It's just so easy to pick up a bead, apply it, and just look how like, it's just so buttery. I love their acrylics. I actually could have got an even bigger bead, but it's okay. Let's brush this up. Like, and the thing I love about it is it doesn't dry quickly, but then at the same time, it doesn't take forever to dry. And that's the issue that I had with Anna acrylics. It makes me really want to try out their more pigmented powders to see if they're also super easy to work with. So y'all can see I did all the rest of the nails, but I forgot to mention the brush I'm using is from Kiara Sky. It is the number 12 brush, and I am using Valentino's monomer. But so to incorporate the glitter, y'all can see I kind of already started it here on the pinky, but this is my very first time doing this, so just bear with me. But I'm trying to mimic this design that I saw on Instagram. So I kind of started with like the smallest bead I could pick up and put it right here up at the cuticle. Look how blingy this glitter is looking. Like, oh my goodness. hopefully my brush isn't too watery, but I got a small bead and I'm just gonna push it up to my cuticle area and just kind of brush the rest down. And honestly, that was too much. Ooh, I would probably prefer a little less acrylic on that one, but that's gonna work. So now let's do it with the ginger tonic. That's pretty decent. I'm guessing like it just needs to be small enough just to be at the very top. But of course, I cover like the whole entire nail bed with the glitter. But hopefully, I really hope that that doesn't matter. After I lay the rest of this glitter acrylic, I'm gonna try to blend everything together with my nude. Okay, fingers crossed. Oh, I can't cross them. Okay, there we go. Fingers crossed. So I felt like the other nude that I had was a little bit too translucent and I really want like a clean transition. So I changed up the nude. This is Perfect Nude by Valentino. And I already kind of did my pinky off camera just to see how this would probably look. It has potential, but I'm still a little scared though. But I'm definitely going to keep going because I feel like once I cap this off, everything is really gonna look like smooth. But right now it looks a little we're gonna let this be a little watery. So I'm just gonna put this one like right there. And then, oh, that was too much. I really don't like that size, but we're just gonna kind of go with it. That might have been a tad too much for my taste, but I think it kind of works out though. But let's just see. So I'm just gonna kind of blend it up just a little tad. And then we're gonna come down with this bead. All right, let's try this again because that last one I was a little out of camera view. Let's blend this one up a little bit more. And see, that's a little bit better. No. Ooh, I like that blend. That was nice. This bead up here, kind of like ease it up, but not too much. And then bring the rest of it right on down. I actually think this is going to turn out pretty well. Honestly, out of all the fingers that I did on camera, the thumb is the best, and I did that one off camera. Look at that blend capped off. That's going to look amazing. Let's go ahead and cap these babies off. Okay, so let's cap this off. That's how it looks from the side. Y'all see that little dip there? We got to fill that in. So I'm using Crystal Clear by Valentino to cap it off. So I'm just gonna grab, we're gonna like bounce, bow. And I put it like right there at the middle. And then we're gonna just go ahead and pat the rest right on down. And then I'm gonna come up here. And I still need one bead to kind of come down and like really fill that part out. So I went on and filed and buffed and everything off camera, and just look at this shape. I'm not gonna lie, that's one of the best apex I've done ever. So I was like super proud. So I really like the way that the nails turned out after I capped them off, but I still felt like something was missing. So I wanted to do like a quick little nail design, just some little squiggly lines here and there, and it actually turned out really nice. This yellow color is some gel paint that I got from Madam Glam, and then on the blue nails I'm using a blue liner gel that I got from Double Dip. You'll see it in a minute. And honestly, this nail design turned out to be really easy. I'm just really doing random little squiggly lines, kind of being free with it. Now once I had the line the way I wanted it, I went on and cured it, and then I came back over it with another coat of the yellow gel paint. I cured that, and then this is the finished look for the yellow fingers. Now for this blue liner gel, I really had to come back in with a second coat because as you can see, it went on looking a little light, but another coat did the trick. Now I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I'm a little disappointed at like the glitter. I really thought it was going to pop a little bit more than what it is. So I was really contemplating last night on whether I should add some glitter squiggly lines just for the sake of the challenge, to add a little bit more glitter since the glitter around the cuticle lines didn't really pop the way I wanted it to. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not gonna hold it. This whole video, my head was banging. Like I've had the worst headache really all week. I've had this headache, and I was ready to be done with the set, so I just added some Swarovski crystals to kind of like finish the set off. Y'all don't be mad at me, like I'm not feeling 100%, but despite all of that, I really like the way these nails turned out. I included the ombre. All of the colors are in there. The only thing that I'm kind of lacking with is like the glitter. So if I had to rate this set, I would give myself, you know what, I'm gonna give myself a 10 out of 10 because you know what, I filmed this whole video and edited this whole video with a migraine, so I think I deserve that much. But y'all let me know how y'all will rate this set down in the comments down below. Next week we're going to cap off the expensive nail kit series, so stay tuned for that, and y'all let me know if y'all want to see more of this challenge on my channel. I have another challenge series that I want to introduce to you guys, and I think it'll be fun because you guys are going to be making my nail sets in this series. So yeah, stay tuned for all of that. I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.